I've realized that there are some Instagram reels out there that are just blowing up with views, likes, and shares. This got me questioning, how are all of these reels going viral? So I decided to do some detective work, and guess what? I've cracked the code to those viral reels. And today, I'm sharing it all with you. But before we dive into the secrets, make sure you hit that subscribe button and follow us on TikTok so you don't miss out on the ways to go viral and make money online. This is not going to be one of those easy copy and paste videos because these methods simply don't work. I will show you how to create a viral reel using some simple steps. Now let's uncover the magic behind the viral madness. So recently I have been seeing that the accounts that go viral are accounts that create motivational content like these. I figured out that this niche is really simple and is rewarding. The simple black and white style content is starting to go viral. You've probably seen it yourself since they are all over the internet. This niche seems to have a lot of potential. I also started to see a pattern. Most of these reels are either motivational quotes that are read by someone, or it's someone saying something motivational. Now that I have the idea, let's start making the viral reel. Now, to make a reel go viral, it has to be unmissable. So I started searching on YouTube and Pinterest for motivational quotes and videos, and I stumbled across this quote. I figured that it would be perfect to start with this. We are going to create the reel on Canva. Once you open Canva, go to the search bar and search for Instagram Reel. If you watch these motivational reels, you will see that almost all of them display luxury videos or working out videos in the background. So we are going to go on YouTube and search for some footage. I am going to use this video as my background. Once we've downloaded the video, we will add it to Canva. Then I will make some adjustments to the video to make it look dark, as most of the videos have this minimal dark theme. Now for the voiceover, I will just use a robot. I went to 11 Labs and created this AI voice.
You can't go back and change the beginning, but you can start where you are and change the ending.
Now we will add both together on Canva like this. I will also add this money emoji in the center of the video. The final and most important step is to add the music. You can simply do this by searching motivational music for reels and choose a song and download it. Then add it to Canva as well. This is how our reel turned out.
You can't go back and change the beginning, but you can start where you are and change the ending.
This is amazing. This is one way to create a viral reel. Another way that is trending right now as well is celebrity motivation. You will find videos where celebrities are in interviews and there are subtitles on the video. You can easily create a reel like that by going to YouTube and finding a quote that you like. Let's use this for example. Then you download the video from MP4 to audio so that you can use it in Canva. Then just add a good background video text and there you go. That's another idea for viral reels. I want you to try this method and tell me your results in the comments below. So that's the new viral formula that you should use to create viral motivational reels. Make sure to subscribe and leave a like. That's it for today. See you in the next video.